Here's how you can connect your Nintendo Switch to the UWW Play Wi-Fi. For internet access, you must register your Switch by its MAC address. To find its MAC address, go to the Home menu and select System Settings, then scroll down to Internet. The system MAC address will be listed under Connection Status. With the MAC address, you can now register your Switch. Go to mydevices.uww.edu and sign in with your NetID and password. Click the Add button. Then enter in a name of your device and its MAC address and click Submit. Your Switch will now be registered. Once your device is registered, return to the Switch's system settings. Scroll down to the Internet and select Internet Settings. Your Switch will then begin searching for networks. When it is finished, scroll down to the bottom and select Manual Setup. Select Network Name and enter UWW Play as shown here. Select Accept. Then select SSID. Type in UWW Play as shown here once more. Select OK. This will return you to the Manual Setup menu. Select the blue Save button on the right to save the network. This will open a pop-up message saying that the settings are saved. Select OK and then select Connect to this network. Your Nintendo Switch will then be connected to the UWW Play Wi-Fi. For further questions, you can email us at resnet@uww.edu.